People, welcome to Mr. Meek's Life by YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can get some updates now. Roadblock with Bulldozer. One more video upon him now, man, you know. You see it? Bright and early. So, I don't know. Journey continue. Again. See boss, the big boss, you know, for better Andrew, you know, man. Me I tell you, so this a man that on every trace of the thing, you know, man.
Say things set, man. I have to know what I have to do, you know.
Yeah, man.
Right on last night, when I left for someone, me got, hey, someone, I'm never why.
Yeah, my people, so this is called Ripper, but it's disconnected now. It's disconnected now. And this is the two jack, if I'm right, that lift the Ripper up and push down. So this is what move when the transmission slick. This blade move the. This is what move the chuck when it's moving with this wheel.
The final drive, the top one.
The final drive. The top. This is the final drive. Yeah, the top one and the bottom one. Hour. And this is what lift up the front pusher. And this tractor is known as D10R cat bulldozer or dozer. So you see, the pusher is very broad. That's why it's giving them a warm time to go through on the trailer. And it's from last night. It's very heavy. So we're doing a new video this morning to let you see the journey that we're going to the Somerset coast to coast quarry. So as you look, you can see that this tractor was not using for a long time. It's really nice and big, tall and all. Engine is a strong engine also, but I can't give you a lot of information on that part. But look at these jacks that lift the pusher up and down. They're so big, and you know how it is when this weight is going up and down. It's very heavy. And that is a muffler up there with a little pedal thing across the pipe. So as we go along, soon I will give you a video of the interior. And I do not know the year of this tractor, but I guess I will find out soon and let you know. So this is a B12 engine.
So when you start, you go to
120 volts. This is like the computer. Black box. It's a warning. Say 120 volts. This is the air cleaner. An oil filter. Fan belts. AC motor. So this is the seating. See? Gas brake and it's a matic operator. On the move again. Yeah. Yeah, my people. See it? Road is black. You saw how broad it is? Upon them look road there? Not easy. And a lot of gullies over here too. You see it? So we have to do the right thing. Like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. One more. Yeah, my peeps, as we come to the end of the video now, I just want to say like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so we can get some more updates and love, because it's about to go over here now. Yeah, my people, come to the end of the line now. It's going over to the quarry, but they're taking a shortcut, so do the right thing, like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Big up yourself, Norris and the crew. Yeah, man.